Hi, my name is Dakota, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a normal light switch that looks like this into a light switch that looks like this. So safety is really important when you're dealing with electricity. Always make sure that you flip your breaker off before doing anything like this so you don't shock yourself. Now that the breaker's been flipped and the electricity's been off, I would also suggest doing this during the daytime so you have a lot of natural light. If not, you'll need a flashlight. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and you'll remove these two screws. I suggest using a razor blade to gently scrape the plate off, and be careful not to take off any paint. You'll use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws. You want to use a voltage meter to test the current to make sure that there's no electricity so you don't shock yourself. It turns red and beeps if there is electricity, so we're all good, no power. Again, pull it out. You'll want to remove these two screws. Alright, you just want to stick these wires back on. Alright, now that they're nice and tight, you want to zigzag the wires so that they go in easy, and you want it to go in straight and firm. So you just line up the 2 screws at the bottom and top. And you can just you'll tighten one. Get nice and close to this.
I can take it.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the screwless base plate. So this plastic, the bottom half goes in here, and then you just screw in the top screw and the bottom screw with a flathead screwdriver. You don't want to over tight it because then you'll crack the plastic. And this just pops on. And then I'll flip the breaker and test it out. Now that we flip the breaker, let's test it out. This is what it looks like afterwards. Very nice. I really like how it looks. Gives it that modern feel. And it brings the home value up big time. This is what they're putting in all the new homes. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and have a good day. This is my father-in-law. And he's from Nepal.
Name is Sudarshan.